Determine the sum to n terms of the following series. Look, so what we'll do first, we'll try to find out the rth term of the series. So we're going to represent the rth term with tr. Now, in order to find out the rth term of the series, what we'll do, we're going to consider a fraction. Now, let's first consider the numerator. So in the numerator, we have 3 in the first term. The second term, the numerator is 5, and in the third term, the numerator is 7. So that means we can immediately say that this particular sequence, 3, 5, 7, these sequence is going to be an arithmetic sequence, whose first term being 3 and the common difference d being equals to 2. That means the nth term of the sequence, or we can say the rth term of the sequence, which is given by a plus r minus 1 times the common difference d, that's going to be 3 added to r minus 1 times 2, or when we simplify it, we get 2r plus 1. So this is going to be the rth term of the numerator. It's denoted by 2r plus 1. Now coming to the denominator portion. Now here in the denominator, we have 1 squared times 2 squared. That's the first term. We have 2 squared times 3 squared, plus then in the third term we have 3 squared times 4 squared. So what we can do, we can represent 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared as r squared. So that means if we put r equals to 1, we're going to get 1 squared. That will be 1 square of the first term. If we put r equals to 2, we get 2 square of the second term. Then coming to the next one, it's having a product with r plus 1 whole square. So this is how we could represent the rth term of the series. Now, furthermore, what we can do, we can again decompose this rth term into two partial fractions. Now, what we can do here, we can rewrite it as 1 over r squared minus 1 over r plus 1 whole square. Now that we have the rth term, we are ready to find out the sum to n terms of the series. So to find out the sum to n terms of the series, we're going to take the summation of the rth term with the index r going from 1 to n. Okay, in other words, we need to find out the summation of 1 over r squared minus 1 over r plus 1 whole square, with r running from 1 to n. Now we'll define the first term. So to find out the first term, what we'll do, we will replace r value with 1. So that gives us 1 over 1 squared, or simply 1 minus 1 over 2 squared. This will get added to the second term, which is given by 1 over 2 squared minus 1 over 3 squared. So this is going to continue all the way up to the nth term. That will be given by 1 over n squared minus 1 over n plus 1 whole squared. Now here, what we'll see, we'll observe that the second term and the third term, the fourth term and the fifth term, so likewise the second last term, this is going to get cancelled out, and that is going to leave us with the first term 1 minus the last term, which is 1 over n plus 1 whole squared. So when we combine them, we're going to get n squared plus 2n whole divided by n plus 1 whole squared, and this is going to be the sum to n terms of the given series, where we have 3 over 1 squared times 2 squared plus 5 over 2 squared plus times 3 squared plus 7 over 3 squared times 4 squared added to the rest of the terms.